This is the Shiatsu foot massager from MIKO, and for what it is, it looks pretty clean, doesn't it? But beyond that, it's very intuitive to use and packs fantastic function. All you have to do is plug it into an outlet, and you're basically good to go. Placing your feet in the two independent foot chambers and pressing power, you have 5 different massage pressure settings that you can toggle with the plus and minus buttons on the machine or with one of the 2 handy dandy wireless remotes included in the box. You can also toggle the heating and kneading functions the same exact ways, and trust me, these features definitely add to the massage experience. This device does an incredible job alleviating pain induced by plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, diabetes, chronic pain, and plain old muscle tension. And when you're done, simply press power and repeat the process whenever the time is right.
At BCP, we know the right gift can make the right day. Multiple built-in functions. Easy and portable. Treat yourself and others today. Only at Best Choice Products.
This is the Imbo Spa foot massager. It comes with an air compression mode, deep kneading massage nodes, and it also has heat. So it's really great for providing total foot relief. It also includes removable foot beds, which is really convenient for cleaning after use. You just put your feet into the massager, and then you can sit back and turn it on, and you can adjust the modes with this hand controller. I can adjust the direction, the pressure, and the heat so that it's just to my liking. That feels really good. Who doesn't like getting a foot massage in their very own backyard?
For over 40 years, Human Touch has developed state-of-the-art massage products. Now, Human Touch brings you the award-winning Reflex Sole Foot and Calf Massager, which perfectly blends Human Touch's state-of-the-art circulation and figure-8 technologies that work by massaging the calves in an upward wave-like motion, forcing blood away from the feet to improve circulation, reduce swelling, and help relieve soreness and fatigue in the body. The fully customizable Reflex Sole also offers deeply penetrating foot vibration and patented warm air technology for ultimate relaxation and tension relief. The Reflex Sole by Human Touch. Soothe, refresh, relieve.
Hi, I'm here to share with you this foot and calf massager. Great product. It's using it right now. I'm just on my feet, but it feels like somebody with super strong hands, really digging in, getting all the muscles and tissue in my feet. Just a really nice massage. I just just turn it on right away, and it goes into a 15-minute massage. But there's different modes I can do. I can do an auto mode. Different speeds. If I want to go faster, I can do that. Different times I can set. If I want to do a half-hour massage, heating. If I want to have some little heat on there, I can do that. Or even the direction. If I want to, right now it's just going a nice smooth direction. I can reverse it if I wanted to, and that feels good as well. It comes with this nice long cord, so I got room to plug it in. The cord wraps up really nice underneath there. I can show you that later, but nice to get it out of the way when I'm not using it. Nice for storage. You can see the display on here, how much time's left, counts down, and if I don't use the remote, I can just do it on here as well. Auto heating, I can turn that on if I want to do it, so everything's nice and lit up on here. But it's a really great product. Use it for your feet, your calves, your arms, pretty much anything. Great product, be really good for you, or a really nice gift. So it has this nice feature that you can see the bar on here. I can either use it as a handle, or I can use it to prop it up. So I just push these buttons on the side, and I can move this wherever I want. If I want to use it kind of as a handle, I can do that. Or now I'm going to try doing my calves. So if I push them in there, I can move this wherever I want. So I can work my calves while I'm just sitting up like this. It has a nice, I was talking about the cord before, you can see it has a nice prongs for wrapping the cord up really nice when I'm not using it. So that's a nice feature as well. So now I'm going to try using my calves, get it set right where I want. I'm just going to do a quick quick one. So just hit the on, go through the 15-minute cycle. Like I said, it's a great product. So I'm switching my arms now. It's a super deep massage, feels great for sore muscles or just nice and relaxing. To be a great product or a great gift.